You take us through some of the replies that Deputy Cullinan received.
Yes, Glenn. So David Cullinan, Sinn Féin's health spokesperson, sharing some of the insights into these figures and telling us that they reveal what was a summer trolley crisis. Of course, we were not usually familiar with a summer trolley crisis, but certainly the details of that quite stark. That top-line finding that a person over the age of 75 finding themselves waiting on a trolley at a hospital in Galway for up to 9 days to be admitted. Also finding that in September, 7 hospitals had patients waiting 4.5 days or more for admission, saying that it also included two instances of patients aged over 75 waiting for 6 days. So I'd say these figures coming through the summer period, Colette. It comes as the HSE revealed last week at their press briefing on Thursday that patients attending emergency departments at the moment could reasonably expect to wait up to 24 hours before being dealt with. David Cullinan saying this is an example of the chaos that's now ensuing in our health service.
Well, I met one lady last week whose husband was 3 days on a hospital trolley in Limerick, and she was heartbroken that the indignity of her family not being able to see him or seeing him on a hospital trolley. Unfortunately, that poor man passed away, and that's no way for anybody to be treated in the public system. And I'm dealing with patients every single day who are unfortunately on hospital trolleys, asking us can we intervene, but of course the hospitals need capacity. They're not blaming the staff. The failure has to rest with the Minister for Health and the government, and I've heard far too many stories of patients themselves but also their loved ones and family members who are just sick to the back teeth of having to wait as long as they are and not get the healthcare treatment that their loved ones and their family members deserve. That's no fault of the healthcare professionals who are also stretched.
Well, Colette, David Cullinan says his figures also reveal that 27,000 people left hospitals, emergency departments, without being treated because they had been waiting for so long. In terms of exactly what needs to happen, well, David Cullinan's calling on the government to take urgent action on this. He's saying that there needs to be efforts made to leverage all available capacity within the health system. He's saying that should include also private hospitals. He's calling on the Health Minister to take urgent action on this, saying it's unacceptable that patients are being left waiting for this amount of time.